Hello guys. Well, I got another question, very specific question about to be specialized in one stock or few stocks. Okay, you can do that if you are doing day trading, or you can do that for swing trading. Okay, now day trading, each day you follow the stock. Okay, you see the people who are shorting the stock, the people who are going long, and you follow each day, and you study that, and then you will see what we call a pattern. A pattern, what does it mean? It means sometimes the stock goes down the first minutes, and then it stops, and then it goes up, and then it crosses the open and it continues to go up. Okay, or it goes up at first at 9:30, it goes up, and then it stops few minutes, it stops, and then it goes down, and then it crosses the open and it goes down. These are two major things that the day traders are using, and they are following. They don't care. They can do one trade or two or three or more in the day with the same stock. Okay, with the same stock. It means you will be specialized, and then after trading this stock a lot, you will begin to see things that you have never seen before, because you will see the hands of other people who are with you. Now this, I am not saying you are hallucinating, or how do you say this? It means you are not just drunk, or you see things that doesn't exist. No, but you will see things like candlesticks. You begin to feel how the stock moves. This is what I'm talking about, is day trading. It means you put 2 minutes a chart, or 5 minutes a chart, or 10 minutes a chart, and you will begin to see that each day, either when the stock goes up or when the stock goes down. And you begin to act on these patterns, and you begin to buy or sell short according to what you see. The great advantage of this is that you will know who is in that stock trading. It means there are always, in some stocks, there are always some people who have the same stocks. They put them into portfolio, and they check it each day. If the stock is going up, they can buy. Now there are thousands of people who are buying at the same time. There are thousands of people that are selling on the same time. But when the people they feel the same thing, they will do the same thing, and you will notice that. That's why some day traders, they can make money, because of these skills they develop through analyzing the candlesticks. It means through time and how things work. Now this is about day trading. I have some information about I think training level 12 about how to day trade and to use candlesticks and the chart. You can check that and you see some techniques. Now for swing trading, you can have a portfolio. You can use my criteria that I use. You put lines, and then you trade those lines. You just wait. When the stock comes to that thing, to that signal, you just buy. And that's why I have and this I show in training level 3 with how to search stocks using an industry index. It means I will show you how to do that for each stock. You put a setup, you put lines, and you leave the stock. And each day, at the end of the day, like let's say at 3:30 or 3:20, you check the stocks. If one is reaching that signal, you just buy. It's so simple. If it continues to go up next day, you hold and you make money. If it doesn't succeed, you sell. This is how it works. Now, putting a lot of stocks that you know, or that you know the companies, or that you follow, for the information regarding fundamentals, it's your opinion. It's I don't care about what you do or what you understand about this company. If you understand and you have a lot of information and you follow, it's okay, but understand that this will not make you the money. The money comes from the signals, and when you see a signal, you buy and the stock continues to go up. This you will make money for sure, because when you are in the money, you will make money. Okay? For me, I have some stocks that I follow. I have Facebook, I have Apple, I have Twitter, and I have other stocks that I will not tell you. They're just stocks, you know. But in each time I find an industry that it is strong, I will put the strongest stocks in my chart and I just follow daily. This is because I like those stocks. They are strong. When they go fast. Okay? I don't want stocks that go 10 cents or 5 cents or 25 cents and I begin following them, wasting my time. I don't waste my time with lazy, slow stocks. Okay? So I want some stocks that are solid, strong. They are called the leaders in their industry. What does it mean? It means mutual fund, they go to this kind of stocks and they buy them. And you can see that. Okay? Now, I have some stocks like this and I just put them there. Even if I don't want to search using my stock screener, I can follow those because those, I like them. I made money before from them, and I am making money now, and I will make money in the future if God wills. It means it's just a matter of signal. I don't just buy a stock at any price or at any price, at any chart. No, I get a signal first. This signal is my criteria. I use my criteria, I put lines. Whenever I find a signal, I buy. I don't care if the stock goes up or no. I don't care. When I get signal, I buy. And then I wait. If I am right, I know I am making money from the first day. Next day, the stock was 50. Next day, it's 52. Okay. I have made $200 for each 100 shares I bought. That's it. Depending on how much share I bought, depending on how much I get. This is the first day. Now, if the stock continues for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 1 month or 2 or 3, that thing is what I get later. Okay? And I'm free to exit at any time I like because I have a large profit. So the good thing about making a portfolio and putting your stocks is that you know these stocks, you know their history in the past, and you just follow in the future. Okay? You know, but this needs that you know the criteria, you know how to follow the uptrend, and all this I provide in my training. This is what I do. Now, if I need a lot of stocks and my stocks, I don't find any good one yet, I go to stock screener and I search right now and I find stocks and I buy them. I don't care about my other stocks. Okay? But if my stocks that I like, I see a move and I get a signal, I sell the other stocks and I buy my stock. Because this has to do with how do they go? How do they go up? Some stocks are runners. They run. It means, I'm telling you, it's like the 100-meter race. You see those guys who do the 100-meter race, you see them, they are strong. They do, I think they do bodybuilding because you see their muscles. And when they run for a short time, they run that good and that fast. And this is what I want. I want more money in a shorter time. I don't want to stay 1 year to get $2. This is for you. If you want it, you stay with the stock with $2 as an investor, or it's your option. You do whatever you want. But for me, I select my stocks depending on what I like. Okay, not any stock that I just buy stocks because I see the stock how it moves. Okay, I see the stocks how it moves, how the stock moves. If it is good, I would notice it and I put it in my portfolio. You can do the same. You can install my chart that I'm using online, and you can put stocks and you follow them, and you can check one of my training. You get the criteria and you put them, and then you do the same as I do. Okay, this is a very simple thing when you acquire skills. If you don't know what I am talking about, if you don't know the criteria, if you know thing, it's a good talk, but you can't get benefit until you understand what I am doing in order to get the signals, in order to buy on time. This is one of the best thing to do, to buy on time. It's not just you buy a stock in an uptrend. You can buy a stock in an uptrend in any price, at any price, wherever you want. But for us as a swing traders, we want to the beginning of the trend. We don't want to be at the end of the trend and then we buy. Understand that. Okay? So as I told you before, you can specialize in one stock doing day trading, or you can do multiple stocks for swing trading, and you follow them, and you can, because you know how it moves, you have seen how it moves in the past. You have, I'm not saying predictions, but I say speculation. You will know what they do in general when you have a lot of experience with that kind of stocks. If a stock is slow, you know that it is slow and probably not go that fast. But some stocks are crazy, and when they move crazy. So you will understand that these stocks that you are searching for, it means you will get more money in a shorter time. One time I bought a stock. I put a video online. I bought it at $10.55. 3 days it goes to $29.50. Okay, it's it's like 280%, nearly 300%. In 3 days only. How? It's just the market gives me this. It's just a gift. Okay? It's not I know that that this stock will go. If I know that it is going 300%, as I told you before, I sell my house, I sell my car, I sell everything, and I put in that stock. I told you always the same thing, because it's the real thing that anyone can do. Because if you know the future, you will be a billionaire in 1 month. You don't need like Warren Buffett to stay 60 years or 80 years to be a billionaire. Okay, in just 1 month you become a billionaire if you know the future. Since you don't know and no one knows, no one will be a billionaire in 1 month. Believe me. Okay. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have questions about this topic, which is a specialization in one stock, and you have some questions, please comment here in this on this video on the bottom. If you need to contact me like directly with email, here is my email on the top of the description with my website. You just send me an email if you have some other questions. Subscribe to the channel if you don't, and thank you very much and have a nice night.